Do you want to change the color of your car's roof bracket? To be the same color as the rims. Follow my steps and save the money. Buy plastic spray. Remove the protection. Put the cap back in place. Shake well. Apply protective tape. And then the protective film. The protective tape again. Wipe off the area you are painting. Paint 5 or more layers, which you can always remove with a mini wash. Try it. Then paint only 30% of the first layer. Rest for 15 minutes. Paint the second layer at 70%. Rest 15 minutes for each layer. And in the same way, add 3 more layers. In the end, you should get a result like this. Thanks for watching and like the video if you liked it.